Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a circle text in Canva. Essentially, the text is going to create a circular effect. So the first letter will eventually meet with the last letter of the text box. And here's how you can create that. First, you have to navigate to the text menu, and then you want to insert a simple text box. I'm going to inserting this text box, and I'm going to change the text to be, please subscribe to this channel. And what's important here is that you want to use text font that is actually readable, and you don't want to use any handwriting, because handwriting is usually not going to work well when you are making the text to be circled. So you want to just use a regular normal text. And after that you can navigate to the FX menu, and then on the shape section you want to select the curve, and this is where the magic begins. On the curve side here, you want to increase the number until the text turns into a circle. You want to increase the number until the last letter eventually becoming close with the first letter of the text. And I think for me this is good enough, and I'm going to put this exactly in the middle. Okay, it's pretty good, but usually this is not the end, because the first word of the text is now at the bottom, and it's just not natural, because human, we usually read from left to right. So you want to rotate the text box a bit, and you want to put the first letter or the first word of the text box to be roughly on the middle, at the top, and on the slightly on the left side. So I think it will naturally draw the attention, and people can start reading the whole text. If you put that at the bottom, it's just difficult to figure out where the first word begins. So I want to put that something that more natural. So there you have it, and that's how you can create a circular text in Canva.